Hi, I'm Dale, a sales consultant for Park Industries. And while I'm not an accountant, you should check with your accountant to see what Section 179 can mean to you. The year end is coming up, and your accountant might tell you that using Section 179 of the tax code would allow you to reduce the amount of taxes that you have to pay the federal government, because if you made money this year, like most people have, you're going to have to pay some of that in taxes. Well, there's a program called 179 that's going to reduce the amount of taxes you have to pay if you buy capital equipment. So that's why we're here talking about what this FASTBACK might do for you and who's going to pay for it. So check it out. The federal government will probably end up paying for most of this machine if you can get it delivered this year. There's a few left. We're ready to send you machines. A lot of our machines are going to be in the spring of next year, but for right now, these are available, and we know these are a workhorse. People tell us all the time, it's like bailing money. Hey, the next step is check with your accountant to see if you're profitable. And if you don't have one of these machines, talk to your sales consultant, because this might be a way that the federal government is paying for this machine in your shop through capital equipment, Section 179 of the tax code. So anyway, make sure that you guys have a great holiday season and finish the year strong.